guys, thank you again for tuning in. I'm Natalia, the Master Trainer here at LLBA. We have a fun video for you today. There's so many lash myths out there that can make a lot of people hesitate on getting their lashes done. If you want to learn more about these common myths, then please keep watching. Lash myth number 1. Lash extensions will make your natural lashes fall out. That is not true. The lash extensions will never have to damage your natural lashes if the lashes are properly applied. When I say properly applied, is that the lashes doesn't have sticky lashes to another lash. So if they have the natural cycle and they fall out in their own, the extension shouldn't make the natural lashes fall out. Lash myth number 2. The process is long and uncomfortable. That is not true. The process is very comfortable. The eyes are always closed, so you're gonna have a nice nap. It's like a nice time for you to enjoy a peaceful time without kids, husband, or work. And the process may be a little bit long, but it all depends on the type of lashes that you get, how long, how full you want them to be, and the experience of the lash artist that is doing the job for you. Lash myth number 3. Lash extensions are difficult to maintain. That is not true. It's the easiest thing to keep up with. You only have to make sure the lashes are always clean, so you wash them once a day, and then you just have to brush them as well. So that's the only 2 things you have to keep them away from. So it's very easy to maintain. I mean, you can also keep them away from heat and things like that, because remember, these are synthetic materials, but it's actually very easy to maintain. You just wake up and you look beautiful. Lash myth number 4. Lash extension will damage your natural lashes permanently? No, that is so not true. Okay, if the lashes are applied properly and the extensions are one-on-one and they're using only one natural lash and they're not sticky to another natural lash, the lashes actually should get like a better growth, and the lashes should like get healthier. The reason why is because you're not curling them every day, you're not applying mascara. Mascara is actually very bad for our natural lashes. So when we don't have to take it off every night and put it in the morning, the lashes actually grow back. I always call it like a lash rehab. When someone has been curling them and putting mascara all the time and they want to get extensions, the lashes actually grow more because in fact you're not touching them that much. Lash myth number 5. Lash extensions look fake and tacky. That is so not true. If you choose to have a very natural set, like a classic set, one-on-one lashes, they shouldn't look tacky at all. The only thing is maybe if you get like a volume set and they're like very, very full, it may be a little bit fake, but it's still, if they do a good job, it can look very natural. So those were the top 5 lash myths debunked. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave us a comment down below if you know any other lash myths, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you next time. Lash myth number 1. Lash